Hello everyone, I am your drawing teacher Rihanna Merchant. Today we are going to learn. Come on, we'll do today flamingo. Do like this, two number, like a, and then you do like this curve, and you do here like this, like this, like this, and same way you go here, and you join this, okay? And flamingo beak is like this, okay? And we do here standing line like this, and like a 4 number, and then do triangle, and then you join this, and then you do little point, and you do see 1, and then 2, then here like this, and this is the water, and here it is will do cloud. Next we'll do duck. See, now you draw 2 number like this, same, and then you join this and do semicircle here like this, and here 3 number, okay? And duck beak is like this, okay? And waves, water. Same way again, small duck will do 2 numbers like this, see. Then you join this line, then you join this semicircle, and your 3 number, and your beak is same, and eyes and waves. Now we'll do black sketch pen like this. We'll do first flamingo. See, I done everything in a black color. See, now I will do like this, and then here also same plant, okay? And erase the pencil work. See this with the black sketch pen, I erase the pencil line, okay? We'll do. Now we'll start upper part dark blue with the standing. We'll do upper part with the dark blue. Like this you complete this blue color. See, first you do dark blue color, then second blue color, like this you do outline, and you do like this and merging. See, this is the dark blue color, second, and then this I use, and third I use light blue color. This light blue color I use and do upper sky, okay? See, we'll do cloud, dark blue outline, half I do like this, and then I do with the light color. See, okay? Same way I am doing this green color, और थोड़ा लाइट ग्रीन डालो नीचे like this, okay? See, we did light blue color down, and then waves, we'll do waves like this, see, and somewhere you do like this. See, dark green, light green do plant, and then here and here I did these waves everywhere, and full picture everywhere. Now we'll do flamingo. Flamingo will do with the red and white color. So first what you do with the red colors, outline, give here, see here, little tail, and then neck. Like this you do red color, and then with the white color we'll do merging. See. See. Soft pastel are very soft. That is why you hold from near only. आप नज़दीक से ही पकड़ना है तो ही अच्छे से होगा, नहीं तो टूटेगा बेटा. So be careful about the colors. See, we did red outline and then with the white merging, and this is the brown color. We'll do leg. Okay, we'll do duck now. Come on, we'll start duck. Now duck we'll do with the beak. You do orange color, and then duck will do yellow color, yellow in color. See how I am doing it. First you do outline and then merging it, and okay, same way you do here also. And beak you do orange color in. See, now picture will see from here. See, dark green, light green I done. Here red and pink, then dark blue, light blue, and shadow we done this dark blue, light blue and light blue. And then water ekdam slipping, coloring lighter slipping and light blue, and then waves give you dark blue, and this see duck and all. Okay.